case breaks, we're doing 2021 Select Hobby Baseball. This is the official sign you pick for Ryan. I think Select continues to get more and more popular. Good luck, Ryan. Nick Ahmed, 40 of 99 green. Nick Mandergle, Phenoms. Josh Fleming, rookie. Nick Niedert, jersey, rookie. Eloy Jimenez, Moonshots. Oliveris, rookie. Jimenez, rookie. Luis Castillo. Varsho and Andy Young, rookies. Dalton Jeffers, 76 of 99. Jersey auto, rookie. Beautiful cards. Adley Rushman. Tajay Antone, silver or prism, rookie. Braxton Garrett, jersey, rookie jersey. Well, 2 jerseys and an autograph. We need a bigger auto here. Luis Garcia. Oh, not bad. 47 of 299. Bobby Dalbec, rookie jersey auto. For the team Ryan loves to hate, the Red Sox. Well, he's a Yankees fan, so. But still, nice rookie. Marte. Hook. Liam Hendricks, red. Tanner Hook, red. Joey Bart, rookie. Brad Hand, 25-man. Cabrian Hayes. Verlander, red. Victor Gonzalez, prism. And that's the box. Ryan, as always, thank you very much. If you'd like any more, let me know.